Today, let's talk about a new way to code with AI. It's called vibe engineering. Someone actually said this. It hints at a huge shift. So what exactly is this method?
You're basically treating the AI like a senior engineer, not just some tool you give commands to.
Okay, let's see how it works. First up, building a brand new app from scratch.
So instead of just saying, make a chore app, you ask the AI to help you define the requirements.
This workflow gets you and the AI on the same page before any actual code gets written.
Yeah, think of it like a planning session with a human dev. You map everything out first.
Okay, that's for new projects. But what about an existing one? Well, you onboard your AI teammate.
You use a special file. It's basically an onboarding doc that gives the AI context every single time.
You tell it the what, the why, and the how of your entire project. So now the AI just knows to create a new branch before it even starts fixing a bug.
All right, principle 3. Let's make some big changes and do it fast with total confidence. And for top speed, you can use something called YOLO mode. Yep, it does exactly what you think. This process lets you tackle those huge refactors that would normally just take, well, forever.
Here, the AI added a WebSocket server. Now the app just updates itself in real time for everyone.
So what's the big takeaway from all this? It's really about your new coding partner.
It's a huge mindset shift, right? You're not just writing prompts. You're guiding a powerful partner.
Which, makes you ask the big question. Is this the future of how we build software?
Because at the end of the day, it's not about the prompts. It's all about the partnership.